Hi, Bob Steven here on Lesson 4 for Archibus and social media marketing. Today we're talking about images and how to get images off the internet. One of my favorite search engines is Google. And so let's say that I want to look for some type of budgeting image. And so I type budgeting into the search. It comes back and you'll get the normal search results. If you go over to images, you'll see a whole host of images around budgeting, and many of them look really, really cool. I need you to be careful here because not all of these are free for you to take. You could have some repercussions if you take them. But if you come over here to the tools side, you'll notice that a second menu rolls up just below the main menu. And you can go to user rights, and then I always go labeled for reuse. And when you go to labeled for reuse, you can use these images. And so let's say I like this budgeting image. So I usually come over here and do a right click. Well, actually, first of all, I open it up so that I can get the full-sized image. And I come over here and I do save image as. And I always put it into my pictures. So let's just make sure I understand it's a budgeting JPEG. And I'm going to go ahead and say save. So now I have that image that I can use. I know where it's at, located on my computer, and it's a nice image. Unfortunately, this is a really good size image. This is 1200 by 800, and this may not gen as quickly as you'd like it to on your responsive design website or any other website. So I use a tool called Paintnet, which is free, and it's like a Photoshop editor. It doesn't have as many features as Photoshop, but it does allow you to edit images. So I'm going to go ahead and open up that image, and let me come over here to my pictures. I'm going to come up here and search for my budgeting. Actually, I can see it right here. So I'm going to double click that and bring it in this. And this is a good sized one. And then if I come over here to image and do resize, you'll see that I've got the 1200 by 800. But let's say I want to take this to a 600 pixel image. Notice that I've reduced this to under meg. And it'll go ahead and reduce it. And I can then go ahead and save the image. And I now have a smaller image that will load very, very quickly.